Hi, good evening. Can everyone hear me? Yes? Okay. All right. Okay, just a moment. I will just check and then we can start. Okay, come sit on your mat. Sit up straight. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your spine straight. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your shoulder muscles. Inhale. And exhale. If there's any thoughts in your mind, just be aware of it. Do not get engaged to any of your thoughts. Inhale. Exhale. Embrace yourself. Embrace the moment. Be here. Be at the present moment. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And slowly open your eyes. Stretch out your legs. Okay, hands at the side. Keep your spine straight. Okay. Now inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, squeeze forward. Exhale towards your body. Now inhale, bend your ankle forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Okay. Legs apart. Toes pointing to each other. Inhale down to the side. Exhale up to the center. Once again, inhale down to the side. Exhale up to the center. Now inhale upwards. Exhale all the way down. Once again, inhale up. Exhale all the way down. Legs together. Hands on the knee. Spine straight. Now inhale, lift up the heels. Knee engagement. Exhale, come down. Once again, inhale, lift up. Heels will be off the mat. Exhale, come down. Now bring both of your soles together. Closer to your body. Move your knee up and down. Titilyasana, butterfly. Move as fast as you can. Now inhale, head up. Look up. Exhale, you elongate your spine. Do not hunch, but you elongate and go down. Try to reach your toe. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale once again, go down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Stretch out your legs and bend your right leg. Interlock below. Left leg, keep it engaged. Toes pointing towards your body. Interlock below your right leg. Spine straight. Inhale, up. Straight knee. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale on your thigh. Now massage your sole up to your knee. Massage. Now right hand on the right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release. Do hip rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. and exhale down. Release. Now for your left leg. Interlock. Same thing. Right leg towards your body. 4 toes pointing towards your body. Inhale up. Straight knee. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale on your thigh. Now massage your sole up to your knee. Go up to your thigh. Left hand on the left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release, hip rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale down. Inhale, up. Exhale down. Release. Now right leg over left leg. Pull in. Seated position. Stretch out your fingers. Inhale, up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Now bend your thumb and your fingers clockwise, wrist rotation. Anti-clockwise. Now bring your thumb to your shoulder and elbows together. Inhale up. Interlock. Use these two fingers. Interlock at the back. Exhale, look up. Now thumb back to shoulder. Inhale all the way down to the front. Exhale, go all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Once again, one more round. Inhale up. Interlock. Exhale, look up. Inhale, you drop down to the front. Exhale, go all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Release. Now for your neck. Inhale up. Exhale center. Inhale down. Exhale center. Tilt your neck to your right. Sorry, turn to your right. Inhale right. Exhale center to your left. Exhale center. Now tilt your neck to your right. Exhale center to your left. Inhale. Exhale center. Last part, eyeball exercise. Interlock your fingers, thumb facing up. Gaze at your thumb. Just move your eyeballs. Inhale up. Exhale center. Inhale down. Exhale center. To your right, inhale. Exhale center. To your left, inhale. Exhale center. Inhale to the tip of your nose. Gaze at your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center. To the space in between your eyebrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center. And slowly release. Okay. Come to the front of your mat. We'll start with, stand up. We'll start with Hatha Surya Namaskar. Okay. Anga sing. Okay. Come to the front of your mat. Legs apart according to your hip width. Hands on Namaskar Mudra, or you can stand straight. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Tell yourself that this is a practice all for yourself, for your happiness, inner peace, good health, good wealth, and great wisdom. Through the practice of yoga, you spread love, light, positivity, harmony, good thoughts, good deeds to yourself, to your family, to all those around you, and to the world. Before we start our practice today, thank the universe, thank the Mother Nature, the Mother Earth, thank the yogis, mahants, gurus, and rishis. Thank your fellow practitioners, thank your teachers, thank yourself, thank each and every part of your body from your head to your toe for giving you the time, the strength, the opportunity, and the ability to practice yoga today. Make sure you are focused on yourself for this 1 hour. Tell yourself this 1 hour is all for yourself. Only focus in your breathing and to your entire body. Slowly open your eyes. Inhale sideways up to the center of your chest. Inhale all the way to the back. Bring forward to all the way to the back. Exhale all the way down. Now right leg back, inhale, open. Open, look up, back feet flat. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Mountain, legs apart, knees straight, ears aligned with your shoulders. Spread out your fingers. Keep firmly pressed. Do not hold your body on your fingers. Sorry, do not hold your body on your wrist, but your total hand you should hold it on. 1, breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Ashtangasana. Inhale up to your navel. Cobra, Bhujangasana. Exhale, child, Shashangasana. Inhale, cat, Majariyasana. Kunja pinadi. Move, Sasikala, move your hip. Look up. Exhale, mountain, Parvatasana. Now breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knees straight. Okay, if you can't touch your mat down, it's okay. Just hold wherever you are. Just hold your calf or your knee. Inhale all the way up. But make sure knee straight. And make sure knee straight. Exhale all the way down. When you go down, make sure your knees are straight. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Look up. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Like a V you should be, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Ashtangasana. Inhale, cobra, Bhujangasana. Up to your navel and elbow bend. Elbow bend. Purvita, elbow bend. அவ்வளவுதான். Exhale, child. Inhale, cat, Majariyasana. Exhale, mountain, Parvatasana. Now you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open, look up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knees straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Follow her. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open, look up. Open and look up. Naren, do properly. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee straight, knee straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Up to your navel. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Look up. Yes. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. 1, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open, look up. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knees straight. 2 more rounds. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Look up, yes. Exhale, mountain. Right leg forward. Inhale, open, look up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knees straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Last round. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Left leg forward. Sangeeta, what happened? Open, both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Sorry, other leg forward. Other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Done. Release. 5 rounds done. Drink some water. Wipe your face. We'll start with Ashtanga A. Surya Namaskar. Wait. Okay, come to the front of your mat. Komala, just follow. Okay, and Saturday வந்து one type of Surya Namaskar தான் செஞ்சோம். Okay, today we will be doing 3 types of Surya Namaskar. Just now we did Hatha Surya Namaskar. Now we're going to do Ashtanga A, and then after this we'll do Ashtanga B Surya Namaskar. Okay, you just follow, do as much as you can. Jump in, jump out சொல்லுவேன். நீங்க right leg back, left leg back போலாம். Okay, if you can jump in, you jump in. If you cannot, it's okay. All right, for the beginning you just go slowly. Okay, legs together, ankle touching each other. Roll up your chest. Okay, inhale up sideways. Exhale all the way down. Go down, knees straight, knees straight. Remember, knees straight. Your knee must be straight. Komala, is your knee straight? Knee must be straight. Inhale, head up. Now bend your knees. Hands fully on the mat. Now jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. So bring your right leg back, left leg back, go full body down. Yes. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Shruti, do your upward facing. Shreya, do your upward facing properly. Breathe. 1. Shrutika, push your chest in there. Your neck out a bit. Then push your chest in. Hand bring in front a bit. Hand and then push your chest in. Yes, yes. 2. Breathe deeply. 3. Kumu, come inside of your mat. See, your leg is going out of your mat. Kumudini. Yes. 4. 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees. Jump in. So when I say jump in, you can bring your right leg front, left leg front. Yes. Knee straight. Knee must be straight. Yes. Hands down. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Okay. Second round. Inhale, up, sideways. Exhale all the way down. Yes. Inhale, head up. Now bend your knees fully. Hands fully on the mat. Jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. Jump properly. You are hip down. Chest up, hip down. Inhale, upward facing. Hold Chaturanga. Exhale, downward facing. Now you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees. Jump in. Knee straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Third round. Inhale, up, sideways. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knee. Jump in. Knees 3. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways, up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Ashtanga A done. Ashtanga B. 3 rounds only. Ashtanga A, 3 rounds only. Ashtanga B, come. Come to the front of your mat. Together, come. Okay. You follow, huh? Okay. Legs together, same thing, like just now. Inhale, touch, come up. Touch your mat from down. Sasikala, muda ponga. Tiripi ponga. Inhale, see, touch, come up. Muda ponga. Touch, come up. Okay. Ukkatasana, chair pose. Go lower. Sasikala, go lower. Exhale all the way down. Yes. Inhale, head up. Same thing. Bend your knees. Jump out, chaturanga, exhale. So right leg back, left leg back, go down. Yes. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Komla pinadi kaal vandu side ah irukum. If you can see, see. Kai. Exhale, chaturanga, go down, go full body down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Yes, left leg forward. Yes, same thing. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose, kai unna venga. Yes. Exhale, chaturanga. Warrior pose, you have to look up, okay? Don't look down. Go chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now you breathe. 1, 2. Sangeeta, what happened? You can type, you can PM me. 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees. Jump in. Knees 3. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, touch, come up. Follow. Must touch your mat and come up. Exhale, release. Okay. Second round. Inhale, touch, come up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Hands fully on the mat. Jump out. Chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward, Virabhadrasana. Warrior pose, inhale. Exhale, Chaturanga, body down. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Inhale up, warrior pose. Exhale, Chaturanga, body down. Go slow, Komala. If you can't, you can take rest. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Bismillah, hold Chaturanga. What happened? Cannot hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees. Jump in. Knees 3. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, touch, come up. Exhale, release. Third round. Inhale, touch, come up. Ukkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, மேல பாருங்க. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up, bend your knees, jump out, chaturanga, exhale, body down. Yes. Inhale, upward facing. Look up. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward. Warrior pose, look up. Inhale up, warrior pose, look up. Yes, good. Exhale, chaturanga, body down. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Warrior pose. Exhale, Chaturanga, body down. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees. Jump in. Knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, touch, come up. Exhale, release. Okay, done. Take rest. Okay. Okay, Kumadi. Log in, log out. Okay. Okay, all okay? Komala, are you okay? Yes, okay. You can sit down. You can sit down, drink some water. We'll start. Okay, before I speak about today's pose, I will, what I want to say. I want to say something. Never mind, I think I will say at the end of the class. Can't remember what it is. Okay, never mind. Can't think. Okay. Mind go okay. Never mind. I'll speak about today's pose. Okay, today we will look into flexibility. Okay, what flexibility is? Back flexibility. Okay, normally we'll look into hip flexibility, shoulder flexibility. And my பார்க்கும்போது இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம hip flexibility பார்க்க போறோம். So with pose that we will do also. Okay, today we'll look into back flexibility, whereby at the end of the session we will look into one pose like always we will do on Tuesdays. Normally we'll look into one asana. That's how we will look into today, and we will do some preparatory poses. Okay, if you have wall, you can just go to your wall. I mean, like have some space with you and the wall, so that we will do some poses today with the wall. Okay, wall, you can see any wall. Yes. Can do that side actually. Okay, okay, I'll show. No mela lucky da. Okay, okay, wait, let me adjust. Can everyone see? Okay, we will see one asana first. We call it king cobra pose. Okay, Raja Bhujangasana, king cobra pose. We will look into Bhujangasana. You all know, right? Bhujangasana, we will cobra pose. Normally we will lift up our chest a bit. Okay, now இது நார்மலா கூட செய்யலாம், but I'm doing with the wall, so that you will have some support for your leg. Okay, you will place your leg like this on your wall. Okay, closer to your wall. Okay, and then you will lie down like this, normal. Okay, knee straight. Make sure your knees are straight. Knees are straight. If you don't have wall, it's okay. Don't worry. If you don't have wall, it's okay. Okay. From here, you will bring your hand to the front. See, shoulder ke munnuku irukum kai. Okay, from here, you will inhale up straight. See, this leg will actually help to push. If you don't have wall, see, if there's no wall, leg வந்து flat இருக்கும், கை முன்னுக்கு இருக்கும். You will just push like this. Okay, and leg don't carry up your leg. Okay, you will push up straight. Okay, so this one will actually help you to push. Actually, if you can see, என்னன்னா கீழே போகும்போது it will actually help you to push it up. Okay, if you don't have wall, it's okay, don't worry about not having wall. You can try it with wall. Okay, again I'm showing. You can lie down, hands. See, normally bhujangasana வந்து we go up like this, cobra. Okay, first, so we will do some variations here. Some variations na three மொத கை இங்க வச்சிருப்போம். Later we'll place here, and then later we'll place here and try to push. Okay, here, first here, in front of the shoulder. Now inhale, up straight. See, if your knee is bent, push it and look up. Okay. If you have any back issue, do it half. Do it half now. If you have any back issue, just do half. இங்க போகும்போதே உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் அந்த intensity. Okay, you will have a lot of stretches at the back. Okay, if you want to go, if you have any back issues, if you don't have back issues, you go try straight. Okay, straight. If you have, then you go lower. Okay, come, do this one first. Okay, go. Kumu, you want to go there? Can try there. Okay, everyone prepare first. I want to see. Push பண்ணும்போது adjust பண்ணிக்கோங்க காலு. ஆனா now you place your leg there. Turkesh, you can do sideways, I think, for your wall there. Okay, if you don't have wall, it's okay. I think some of you don't have wall. No worries. We haven't go into the pose yet. Okay, prepare first. Okay, prepare. Shoulder minnuku kai kondu. Shoulder minnuku kai kondu varano. See, in front of your shoulder. Okay, kai vandu moda enga irunchu enakku. In front of your shoulder. Shoulder enga irukke? In front of your shoulder. In front. Sikala samo. Okay, in front of your shoulder, like this. Now inhale up straight, elbow. Push. Kal push பண்ணுங்க. கால் மடங்கி இருக்கு. Okay, feel பண்ணுங்க. Okay, 1 2 3. கால் knee must be straight. 4 5. Look up. 6 7 8. Stay. 9 10. Come down. Relax. Now bring it to the chest. Chest na shoulder. Like that. You can see, she's bringing. Okay. Same thing, you'll push up. Okay. Inhale up. Yes. You'll feel more intensity. Okay. You'll feel more intense. Look up. Don't talk stories. Up. Push up. Inhale 1, inhale, exhale 2, breathe 3. Come down if you feel discomfort. 4 5 மேல பாருங்க. 6 7 8. Calm down, go child pose. We'll do another one. Go child pose first. We'll do another one. More deeper. Okay, கை வந்து இன்னும் உள்ளுக்கு கொண்டு போவீங்க. When you push, you feel more intensity. Okay. Okay, come up slowly. Okay, மறுபடியும் போங்க. ஒண்ணு இருக்கு. One more. Okay, king cobra pose. Cobra. Okay. கை இன்னும் உள்ளுக்கு கொண்டு போங்க. Yes. கை வந்து chestக்கு கீழே கொஞ்சம் slightly. Okay. Now inhale up. Yes. Push your leg. Use your leg to push your body. Yes. 1, look up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come down. Go child pose. Go child pose and come up. Okay. அது மட்டும் தான் வால்ல வரும். Okay. Okay. Are you okay? If you still feel, see, இப்படி bend பண்ணும்போது நம்ம கவுண்டர் திருப்பி இப்படி பண்ணி ஆகணும். Because the stretches that's happening in our backs, back, especially back and also chest. See, when you go like that, there's two areas. There's 2 areas that is stretching out. One is your back and one more is your shoulder, actually, shoulder. See, when you open, shoulder, chest included. When you open, when you go like that, you're going like that. See, it stretches the back and also the front part. Okay? Valikida? Chest valikida? Shoulder? Okay? Yes. Must have that stretch that normally we'll do on the stretch. You must feel the stretch. If you don't feel the stretch, it means you have done it wrongly. Okay? Naren? Naren தனியா இருக்காரு நினைக்கிறேன். Okay, Naren, where are you? Okay. Yes, alone today, not the other side. Okay, isolated today. Okay. Now we will go into second pose of the day. Okay, this இப்ப செஞ்சது வந்து ராஜ புஜங்காசனா. Okay, king cobra pose. Okay, the variations இல்ல, intensity தான். இங்க வச்சிருந்தா intensity குறைவா இருக்கும், உள்ளுக்கு வச்சிருந்தா intensity கூடயா இருக்கும். You can do with the wall or without the wall. See, why I teach you with the wall is, without the wall செஞ்சா சந்தில கால் தூக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. Your leg might lift up. Okay, to make the pose comfortable. If with the wall, it will give more intense, means you'll push up. Okay, that's why it's with the wall. Okay, you can do without the wall also. Okay. Next, you will lie down also. Okay, you lie down, but this way. Okay, we will look into locust pose. Okay, preparatory for locust pose. Also, see, எப்போது வந்து இந்த the pose that we're going to do, we will do with some variations. With some variations. Okay, hand front, hand back, leg. So locust pose, we will do some variations, and then we will look into the second pose of the day. Okay, second asana of the day. Okay, you lie down like this. Okay, bring both hands in front. Okay, like this. Okay, see, legs together. Sorry, legs together. Okay, from here you lift up, straight up. Okay, go as much as you can. Look up. Okay, இப்படி திறந்தா the pose will break. Okay, slightly can open. If you want to open slightly, can slightly na, like about 1 or 2 inch. Okay, if not, you go straightly. Better. And then you come down. Okay, then go child pose. After this pose, you go child pose. Why? இது வந்து ஒண்ணு நாம child pose பார்த்துட்டே தான் வருவோம். Go, come. Okay, same thing. A lot of intensity in your back and also your shoulder chest part. Okay, kை மண்ணு கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. Okay, Come, I want to see. Prepare first. Don't go up first. Prepare first. Hands in front. Hands in front. Good. You don't need wall, Don't need wall. This one don't need wall. Okay, your leg don't have to kena the wall because you're going to carry up the leg. Purvita கால் கிட்ட. கால் கொஞ்சம் கிட்ட வச்சுக்கோங்க. கால் கிட்ட வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, good. Now you'll inhale up. Head up, leg up. Up, போங்க. என்னது? Okay, leg, knee cannot bend. Don't bend your knee. Don't bend your knee. Knee not bent, Knee don't bend. I didn't bend my knee. No bending knee. Go 1, 2, look up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Calm down, child pose. Child pose. Hand at the back, hand at the back. Okay, calm down. Again, lie down. Same locust pose, few variations we will see. Okay, na say apna. Okay, I'll do same thing. You will lie down. Okay. Now you'll interlock your hand at the back. Interlock, see, 2 hands. Interlock at the back. Okay. Push and place it here. Legs together. From here, inhale up. Okay, bring this higher, chest up. Higher, chest up. And then come down, go child pose. Counter pose. You have to go child pose. Come. Also, good. Easy, ஏன்னா சொல்லிட்டேன் அது அதே மாதிரி தான் easy இல்லையா easy இல்லையா okay interlock first stay first see interlock like this at the back so you'll have a good grip okay knee must be straight I will check the knee now inhale up yes come 1 2 3 knees straight 4 knees straight 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 calm down go child pose you go stay child pose okay calm down okay now another one locust pose lie down okay hands below your thigh okay below your thigh okay see palms below your thigh okay from here you inhale up let me see below your thigh chest up leg up stay calm down இது child pose போக வேண்டாம் நான் ஒன்னு பார்த்துட்டு அப்புறம் child pose போ okay come palms வந்து below கீழ வச்சுக்கணும் இங்க உள்ளுக்கு knee straight now inhale up higher leg உன்ன மேல அதிகல up higher legs then only you will feel your back 1 2 good agila good 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 calm down okay Now, last one. Last locust pose before we see another asana of the day. Okay, from here you will place your palms like this, palms up. உள்ளுக்கு இப்படி இருந்துச்சு, இப்படி இருந்துச்சுல மேல, உள்ளுக்கு இருந்துச்சு. இப்ப palms up. Okay, from here left, கால் இரண்டு இப்படி இருக்கும். ஆனா left வந்து இப்ப on your toe, left on your toe, you will carry right and look up like this. Okay, understand? See, you lie down, palms down. Okay, left, so right leg say porom, left leg on your toe, you're going to carry one leg up. Okay, and then you come down, same, chest up, leg up. Okay, come, right leg you do first. Come, prepare yourself. Palms facing down, not up. Palms facing down. You are palms facing down. Yes, everyone, palms facing down. Okay, means your palm is down. Yes, inhale, Naren. What are you doing? Inhale, up. One leg up, one leg, right leg up. Yes, one. Straight also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and come down, switch side. Come down, switch side. Means left leg now you will carry, right leg on top, on your toes. Okay, inhale, up. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Calm down. Okay. Now pose of the day. Okay. See, first we will see puppy. Today we will see puppy pose. Okay. Okay, puppy pose. Okay, பார்க்கணும் 3 பார்த்துட்டோம். Locust பார்த்துட்டோம். பார்க்கணும் 2 asana of the day, which is Raja Bhujanga asana and also the puppy pose. But we have seen 3 poses today, which is locust, puppy, and also puppy பார்க்க போறோம், இது king cobra. Okay, you will lie down. Lie down. Okay, cat lindhe போறேன். Cat like this on your cat, chest down. Okay, hands வந்து இப்படி. Okay, this is puppy pose. Everyone go puppy pose now. Go puppy pose. It's the puppy pose. See, elbow is not out. Elbow is pointed up. Can you see? Elbow is pointed up, not out. Okay, do first. Go. Cat lin ponga. Cat lin ponga. Go from cat. From cat, everyone go now. From cat. Okay. See, in between your palm, you drop your chest. In between your palm, you drop your chest. Okay. Drop. Go. Chest. Palm. Elbow. See my elbow? Elbow pointed up. Okay. Go. 1. See, go tighter. இப்படி. இப்படி. Go like this. Chest down. 2, 3. உன்ன கால் உள்ள கொண்டு வாங்க சசிகலா. Yes, 4. Knee must be inside. knee இன்னும் உள்ளுக்கு கொண்டு வரணும், chest கிட்ட கொண்டு வரணும். Not knee down, chest down, chin down. அது இல்ல. Nirosha correct. Agila, bring some of your leg, your knee inside. Onis, bring. You have to bend your knee some more. 5, 6. Kalai chest கிட்ட கை. Shoulder chest hand ஒரே இதுல இருக்கும். 7. Rasha, your leg have to be back. Your pose is wrong. Your chest, see, chest must touch down. Chest and chin must touch down. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release pose. Calm down. Go child pose. If you feel dizzy, go child pose. Stay child pose. Okay. Come up. Now we will go extended child pose. Extended, child pose. Extended puppy pose. Okay. Then breathe now. Right? Just now you like this. Now it's the same. You will drop down. Walk your hands in front. Okay. Okay. Drop down. Go in front. Bring your hands down. Here. From here, you have dropped. Just now we have dropped, right? From here we have dropped. Our chest, our chin. Now from here, you walk your hands in front. Put extended. Extended puppy pose. Come. Do. Come, everyone. Extended puppy pose. Can do. Go down. Go normal puppy pose first. Chest down, chin down, and then now extend your leg forward. Extend your hand forward. Okay, Dasha, wrong. Your leg must be bent some more. Yes. 1, Turkesh. No, wrong. Hip up, chest down. Only your chest. Abdomen must be up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come. Release. Okay. Those want to go child pose can go child pose. Release. Stretch பண்ணதுல. Okay. Okay. Asana of the day is Ekapada Shishosana. Means one leg puppy pose. Okay. இது வந்து double leg செஞ்சோம். இப்போ ஒரு கால்ல செய்வோம். Okay. Puppy. Lift one leg up and touch. Okay. I'll do again. நான் கொஞ்சம் வேகமா செஞ்சிட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Okay. Cat pose. Drop. Puppy pose. Lift one leg up and touch. Okay. Do this first. Right leg lift up. Okay. All good. All can do. Can right? All understood? Yes? Good? Unor vattiya? Okay. Unor vatti. Okay. See properly. See carefully. Properly. See carefully. See, you know how to do puppy pose already. Okay. Puppy pose வந்து இப்படி இது chest கீழ வச்சா இது puppy pose. Okay. See, your hand placement is very important. Okay. You go down. From here, you lift one leg up. Touch. First lift first. Try to lift first. முதல்ல lift பண்ணி பாருங்க முதல்ல. இங்க பேலன்ஸ் ஆயிட்டேன்னா இந்த கால் எடுத்துடுவாங்க. ஓகே. முதல்ல ஒரு கால் லிஃப்ட் பண்ணுங்க. பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோன்னே ரைட் லெக் மேல போயிடுச்சுல. ரைட் லெக் மேல போயிட்டோன்னே பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோன்னே லெஃப்ட் லெக் ட்ரை டு டச். ஓகே. கம். I want everyone to do. Go. Puppy pose first. Puppy pose, carry one leg up. Right leg carry, right leg. Good, Nirosha, good. Right leg. Agila, very good, very good. Good, Sasikala, good. On the leg, no, mela punga. Right leg, mela. Ah. One, good. Everyone doing very well. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay. Sukanya, unnu kaal mela. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Calm down and switch leg. Switch leg. Left leg you'll do now. Yes, good. Left leg. Come on, okay. One, kannu mutti valikida. Double up your mat. If your knee is painful, double up your mat. Because the mat might be thin. Double up your mat if your knee is painful. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. One last one we will see. Okay. One last one we will see. We'll try, if not try this one also. I'm going to try with you guys. Okay. Cat pose. Drop down. Up. Bend. Left hand. Hold your right leg. Okay. And pull up. Pull. Got it? Once again I'll show. Okay, once again I'll show. Same. Okay, once again I'll show. Okay, carefully, you see. Puppy pose. We have done this. One leg up. This one. This kaal endha kaal mela podhu. Right leg mela podhu. The right leg is up. Bend your right leg. Take your left hand and try to hold. And pull it. And release. Come up. Okay? Let's do. Okay, those who have knee pain, knee valichichna, double up your mat. You have to double up because when the mat is thin, you definitely, because idella vande, yes, chin touching mat, yes. Same puppy pose. Chin and chest will be touched down. Puppy pose madriye da, but one leg puppy pose. Yes, okay, see, chin touching down. In the kai vande firmly pressed at the side. Okay. Right hand will be firmly pressed at the side. Use your left hand to hold your right leg. So opposite side. Opposite side. Right leg, left hand. One. Good. Good. Come everyone do. 2, 3. Good. Very good. 4. One is wrong. 5. Correct. Leg some more. 6. 7. 8. 9. Agila kalunnu mele. Pull your leg up. Pull your leg up. Don't pull your leg towards the body. Pull your leg up. 10. Release. Okay. I can see more. I call body kitter. Okay. Because I couldn't see this. I didn't see. Okay. Switch leg. Switch leg. Yes. So left leg will be mele irukum. Left leg will be up. You will use your right hand to pull. Yes. Pull up. Ilunga mele. See, கீழ இழுக்கிறீங்க. மேல. Don't pull don't pull down. You have to pull up. Like Natarajasana. இப்போ மேல அந்த மாதிரி. 1, 2, 3. Yes, pull up. Turkish, correct. Pull up. Yes. Left leg, right hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Go child pose. Everyone go child pose. Done. Everyone go child pose. Everyone go child pose. Stay. And slowly come up. Okay, I'll teach one more. Pakone last, but never mind. I'll teach one more. This one everyone can do. Okay, you don't have to use your knee. Okay, but போகும்போது child pose cat puppy pose போவோம். Okay, see one last one. See, puppy pose you will go. Okay, you lift up your knee up. Can you see? Okay, puppy pose you will go from here. Cat, firmly press, chest down, chin down, like this, and then lift up. Okay, come do. I'll explain it. Do first. Okay, Kumu, you can do also. Knee on the lifted up. You lift up the knee. Did you see? Never focus. Come, cat pose. Now puppy pose. Ella puppy pose ponga. Ella puppy pose ponga. Now lift up your knee. Lift up your knee. No, knee. Knee lift up. Yes, use your toes to lift up the knee. Yes, good. Stay. 1. Chest and chin will be down. 2. Yes, Agila, good. 3. 4. Everyone, good. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Calm down. Slowly and release. Okay, all child pose. Once again. Relax, release. Slowly come up. And done. Okay. All right. Okay, Ekapada Shishosana tha இன்னைக்கு உள்ள pose. Raja Bhujangasana, Ekapada Shishosana, and also Salabhasana. Okay, locust pose. Locust pose is Salabhasana. Ekapada Shishosana is one leg puppy pose, and Raja Bhujangasana is King Cobra pose. Okay, we have seen 3. It's all, see, இந்த மூணு பார்த்தோம்ல, இது எல்லாமே basic back bending. Okay, basic back bending we call it. Okay, this is basic. இதுல இருந்து okay, basic back flexibility asana. Okay, back bending la basic it takes you towards back bending. இப்போ நிறைய back bending எல்லாம் நினைப்பாங்க flexibility இருந்தா தான் back bending செய்ய முடியும்னு. But it's not only that. If you see now in the pose பார்த்தது எல்லாமே it requires a lot of strength. What strength? Our hand strength, because we were holding. Okay, in the shoulder strength. In the shoulder strength, இன்னைக்கு full focus back on the shoulder now. Okay, whenever you think it's about okay, back bending na flexibility illave illa, it requires a lot of strength. Your upper body strength ரொம்ப தேவைப்படும். அதனால தான் if you see, we will normally cover everything. Okay, when there's back bending, you will see there's forward bending, there's some stretches, strengthening pose and everything. Okay, all right, any questions? Okay, actually I want to say something before I actually forgot. Okay, I will recall it and I will let you guys know tomorrow if I remember. Okay, it was something that I want to say. I can't remember actually. I was focusing on something else and I can't remember. Okay, all right, take good rest. If you feel any pain at the back, please let me know. Okay, ana or stretches irukum. That's why normally when the back bending senja child pose povom. Okay, because to counter back the pose. Okay, if you have any intense normal lesa inga valikidra adu normal, but intense anda just let me know what is the pain, then we will take it from there. I don't think so none of you will have that problem because all of you did well as I was checking. Okay, thank you so much. Stay happy, stay blessed. Stay safe, and I will see you all tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.